Welcome to Insight Builder channel, Python experts and my dear friend. Django explained using DTL tags and variables. The last video we saw how to use and where to use the tags, and we created and assembled an HTML page. So the HTML page that we were working in the last video was this particular page. So we assembled this entire small page by using various header, footer, and base HTML. In this video, what we are going to see is we are going to see how to create the body like this by using various other tags like for, if, and also we are going to use the Django template language variable. We will be seeing that how to work with these in this video. Let us begin. In the last video, let me go to the CLI. The last video, I showed you how to create the base, how to extend the base, how to create the heading, and how to create a simple content. What we are going to do in this video is I'm going to show you the way of creating the content for this particular page. Okay, so just take a look at this page and let me go into inspect. So here you see that this particular page has got the top level heading, the head is coming here, the body is here. The body contains, again, it contains the header, it contains the navbar, and then it contains the various contents. So let me zoom in a bit. I hope you guys are able to see it. Welcome to Django. This is the heading. This is the app. This is the basic paragraph tags. And then starts the real data. So here is the section. And inside the section, there are multiple divs. So you see inside the divs also there are multiple more tags and lists. You can see a pattern here. So there is a section inside that there is two divs, and inside the divs there is two lists, two UL lists. So this entire page has been assembled using very simple DTL code. So I'll be showing you the code right now. The reason why I showed you this page is that once you go to the code, you will understand how it was assembled. Let us go to the CLI and let me open the code. The code is present in templates and it is called single app.html. Let me again show you the browser for a moment. So this is the single app that we created. So welcome to Django app. So this is the welcome to Django app and this is the title. This is the heading, top heading. Let us go to the CLI. The reason why I'm showing you this is that I want you guys to understand where the information had come from. So this is the heading, Django app 1 that you saw at the top of the page, and then the content starts. The content is with welcome to Django. This is the second heading that you saw along with the p tags. Following that, we have the various sections, the divs that we started and the various sections. And this is all the file it takes. This is all the number of lines that it takes to create all those lists. So you can see that there is a for loop here. This for loop is looping on a list, and there is something called a cycle tag here, which is switching between inno_pdts and condiments. And then there is another one for loop, which is listing on the sublist. All these things, all these variables are confusing right now. The next video, I will show you in a more simpler fashion how to create a single loop of lists and then move from there. You see the tags are having the open curly braces along with the percentage symbol, while the variables are having double curly braces, and inside that there is a element, that is the element which is having the data. So this is how the lists and the entire page, so this entire page, you see this entire page was created using this kind of a format. Also, if you go to the home page, so let me show you the home page also. This 20 lines of code actually has two for loops, and it is having this cycle tag working on 4 different elements here. And then we have the complete block closed. Let me go to the browser right now and let me show you the home page. So you see, from welcome to Django project, there is 4 lists and then there is footer. So this 4 lists was created using the for loop that you saw a couple of minutes. The reason why I showed you all those the code first is that the theoretical aspect of DTL is little bit challenging to understand. That is why I actually created the code with which I can exhibit or show what the output can be. From there, we can see that we can use the variables in the loops. We can use the variables to create multiple pages, like how I created the page for single app as well as single project, that is home as well as the apps page. Then we can access the values returned from the context. We can also use filters. So if you guys have followed the earlier discussion on DTL introduction, then you might be knowing what is filters. So take a look at that video. And we can use the variables that are created by the tags also. We saw how the heading and the title tag was created. In order to understand the variables, we have to know what kind of content we are going to create, and then we are going to populate it step by step. Usually, the tutorials that I have seen till now, what happens is the page or the HTML layout is already present, and then the content or the data that we have is populated over there. This becomes very challenging for people who are new to web development, as well as who are not comfortable with copy pasting, because there is a lot of data, lots of HTML tags, and it becomes really tough to keep track of what is going on. Next, I'll be showing you how to use the views, how to use the urls.py to render the pages that were created in this video as well as the earlier video where I discussed about the tags. With that said, I would like to request you to subscribe to my channel for further updates on Django and related discussion. Also, I would suggest that you share this content with others, because this is one of the key aspects of web development. The Django framework itself is very innovative, and it helps to reduce the amount of code that you write. With that said, I would like to leave this video with 4 words, that is practice, practice, practice. See you guys. Have a great time.